Ever spent hours trying to find a fault on a smartphone or PCB? A good thermal camera can make repairs faster, easier, and far more accurate. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best thermal cameras for phone repair, PCB work, and electrical diagnostics. Stay till the end to find the perfect option for your budget and needs. Check the links in the description for prices and details. Let's get started. Number 1. MILESEEY TR256i Thermal Camera. The MILESEEY TR256i thermal camera is a compact and highly practical tool designed for electronics repair and thermal inspection. With a 256 by 192 resolution, it delivers clear and detailed heat images that help you quickly identify overheating components, short circuits, and hidden faults on PCBs. One of its biggest advantages is its compatibility with both Android and iPhone devices, making it extremely convenient for users who want a portable, plug-and-play solution. This camera is perfect for technicians working on circuit boards, panels, and mobile devices, as it allows precise thermal detection without the need for bulky equipment. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry anywhere, which is ideal for fieldwork or mobile repair services. While it may not match the resolution of high-end industrial cameras, it provides excellent performance for everyday diagnostics. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use thermal camera for repair work, the MILESEEY TR256i is a smart and practical choice. Number 2. Thermal Master P3 Thermal Camera. The Thermal Master P3 thermal camera is a powerful and high-resolution option designed for professionals who need precision and clarity. With an impressive 512 by 384 resolution, this camera captures highly detailed thermal images, allowing you to detect even the smallest temperature differences. This makes it especially useful for mobile phone repair, PCB diagnostics, and advanced electronics troubleshooting. One standout feature is its macro lens capability, which is perfect for working on tiny components where accuracy is critical. It also supports both Android and iPhone devices, giving users flexibility across platforms. With a temperature range that can go up to 600 degrees Celsius, it is suitable for both delicate and heavy-duty applications. Although it comes at a higher price point, the performance and image quality make it worth the investment for serious users. If you need professional-level thermal imaging in a compact form, the Thermal Master P3 is an excellent choice. Number 3. Generic 256 by 192 Type-C Thermal Camera. The generic 256 by 192 Type-C thermal camera is a budget-friendly and practical option for everyday repair and inspection tasks. With a 256 by 192 thermal resolution, it provides clear enough imaging to help you locate heat sources, detect faulty components, and troubleshoot electrical issues efficiently. It is especially useful for beginners or technicians who need a simple and portable solution. This device connects directly to Android Type-C smartphones, making it easy to use without extra equipment. Its lightweight and compact design allows you to carry it anywhere, making it ideal for quick diagnostics and fieldwork. With a temperature range from -20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius, it can handle a wide variety of applications, including electronics repair and electrical inspections. While it may lack advanced features found in premium models, it still delivers solid performance for its price. If you're looking for an affordable and dependable thermal camera, this is a great option. Number 4. UNI-T UTI-261M Thermal Camera. The UNI-T UTI-261M thermal camera is a dependable and well-built device from a trusted brand in measurement tools. Featuring a 256 by 192 resolution, it offers clear thermal imaging that helps detect overheating components, electrical faults, and circuit issues quickly and accurately. This makes it a great choice for both professional technicians and serious DIY users. Designed specifically for Android Type-C devices, this camera is easy to connect and use, providing a seamless experience for mobile diagnostics. UNI-T is known for its quality and durability, and this model lives up to that reputation with consistent performance and reliable results. Its compact and portable design allows you to use it comfortably in tight workspaces or on-site repair jobs. While it may not offer ultra-high resolution, its brand reliability and overall performance make it a solid investment. If you want a trustworthy thermal camera for regular repair tasks, the UNI-T UTI-261M is a great pick. Number 5. GOYOJO GW192A Thermal Camera. The GOYOJO GW192A thermal camera is a compact and versatile tool designed for everyday electronics repair and diagnostics. With a 192 by 192 resolution, it provides decent thermal imaging that helps identify overheating parts, power issues, and faulty components in devices like smartphones and circuit boards. One of its key advantages is its compatibility with both Android and iOS devices, making it a flexible choice for users working across different platforms. Its small size and lightweight build make it easy to carry and use, whether you're working in a repair shop or on the go. Although it has a slightly lower resolution compared to other models on this list, it still performs well for basic and intermediate tasks. It is especially suitable for users who want a simple and affordable thermal camera for regular use. If you need a convenient and budget-friendly thermal imaging solution, the GOYOJO GW192A is a solid option. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.